Hello, good morning everybody. I'm here to tell you a little bit about a lipstick that I absolutely love. I'm really big into makeup and stuff, hair products, and I love trying like the newest stuff on the market. Lately I've been doing a lot of matte lipsticks, and as much as I love them, I realize that they're drying out my skin, so I kind of need to take a little break from that for the time being, just because it's winter and it's like using the matte makeup, like it stays on all day and it kind of just tends to dry out your skin a little bit on your lips. So I wanted to change it up. NYX or NYX has been around for a long time. They're definitely a really reputable brand, and when I was looking for like a nice color lipstick but not matte, I was like searching in makeup stores and online, and this came up, so I was really excited to try it. This is NYX Butter Lipstick. What I love about this color is it's like really bright, it's very pretty, and it's perfect right now for like the holidays. And I also have like a little bit of an olive complexion because I'm Italian, and I think it looks really nice with my olive complexion skin. And then the color is Lifeguard, which I thought was really interesting because I guess they, like, you know, a lifeguard sometimes will wear like a bright red bathing suit, like especially like in online, and I mean, I'm sorry, on TV shows and online in photos and movies and stuff like that, like Baywatch, their bathing suit is always red, so I'm kind of assuming that's where the name came from for the color, which I thought was kind of funny and clever. It is a butter lipstick, so this actually is like the perfect name for this lipstick because it literally feels like butter on your lips. It's very creamy, it's very smooth. What I love most is it doesn't get on your teeth when you talk, because sometimes, that's why I always love the matte lipstick, because when you use a matte lipstick, it doesn't come off on your teeth. And especially for work, I have to like talk a lot to people, and like I don't want to be talking to someone and there's lipstick on my teeth, because like unless it's like my friend or something, no one's going to tell me I have lipstick on my teeth. If it's a total stranger, they're just going to be like staring at me funny. So I'm like, no thank you, I don't want to get any lipstick on my teeth. This does not happen with this lipstick, and I just put on like one coat and kind of blot, and it stays. It stays. You do have to, I noticed I had to reapply like after I ate, but I mean that's pretty normal. Even with like some matte lipsticks, you have to reapply after you eat or drink something, so not a big deal. It's lightweight, it's like very like satiny, very smooth, and I'm definitely really happy with it. So this is BLS 29 and Lifeguard lipstick. And then we have the ingredients listed here, which is a lot, so I'm not really gonna name them all, but just to name a few, there's castor seed oil, which is great for smoothing. It's a really great ingredient. I actually use castor oil on my eyelashes to help them grow. Tetrasosterate, bisdicillin, yeah, I'm like butchering these. All alcohol, euphorbia, ceratepha, candelia wax, so on and so forth. And then may contain mica and titanium dioxide, iron oxide. It's always good to look at the ingredients just to make sure that you are not allergic to anything. Product is made in Taiwan, distributed by NYX Los Angeles and El Segundo, California, NYX Cosmetics, CM Amsterdam, and then their website is www.nyxcosmetics.com. So I'm going to open it up to show you guys. Look how smooth and pretty this lipstick is. All you have to do is turn. See, I don't even need two hands to do it. Just really easy to turn up. And what I like too is it's clear here, so you could see better when you're running low. Sometimes like if this is a color, you can't really see what you're looking at. I could see here I have plenty left. See how smooth and nice this color is? It's beautiful. It's like in between a dark and a bright red. It's just really nice. It's darker than my nail polish color. But let me just put a little bit on my hand so you guys could get a better idea. See? It looks brighter on my hand than it does in the container. Here I feel like it looks more dark. It's, like I said, it's in between like a bright and a dark. I wouldn't say it's a bright red. I wouldn't say it's a dark red either. It's just kind of in between, and definitely looks like the color of a lifeguard bathing suit. And it's lightweight, perfect, not too big of a tube of lipstick, so you could like easily put this in your purse or your clutch, and keeps your lips feeling moisturized and nice all day, which is especially perfect right now in the winter time when skin and lips can get dry and chapped. So it kind of acts as like a chapstick and a butter lipstick all in one. and it doesn't dry out your lips at all. So I hope you guys found the video useful, and I hope you try out NYX Butter Lipstick in Lifeguard, and I hope you love it. Thank you for watching, everybody.